In this video, I want to show you the differences between the G and the K homeworks in Digits Realize. So if I go into a program and I select a lesson, I always have two homeworks, a G level and a K level homework, and also a mixed review. The G level is on grade level, and the K just means that the student needs a little bit more work. There's really not much difference. If I go to the G, and I already have these opened up, and I go to problem number 1, you can see the point B has coordinates 5, 1, the x coordinate of point A is -3, etc. If I go to K, question number 1, it's the exact same question, different numbers, but the question is the same. And I can go through this particular homework, only has 11 questions. Typically there's 15. But I can go all the way to question number 9. This again is K. The point B has coordinates -5, -1. The x coordinate of point A is 0. If I go to question 9 in G, this is the G, it's again the same question, just different numbers. It's now when I get to the last couple questions, it's usually 2 or 3 questions at the end, where it changes. In the G homework, question number 10 is called a challenge, and it says find the surface area of a square pyramid. It gives you the area of the base and the height. For K, question 10 is called think about the process. Notice it still has a square pyramid. This time though, it tells you the base edge, it tells you the slant height, and it says how can you find the height of the pyramid. Then you're going to find the height and then find the volume. And it's going to lead you through. Notice down here it says 2 parts remaining. That means this is a 3-part question. And in the G, it was just a 1-part question. So one's finding surface area, the other's volume, but you're still going through the parts of a square pyramid. If I go to, this is the G again, if I go to the last question, again it's a challenge. It talks about a box 12 inches high, 12 inches long, 6 inches wide, and what's the longest poster you could fit in the box. The K, same concept, only now there's a picture of the box and it leads them through. So they're finding the distance between P and V, which is the same question. But first it's going to say, what's the first step to find the distance? And so they're going to do the first step, and notice there's one more part to go after that. So between the G and the K, the minor differences, the K is think about a process, tends to lead them through. And for the G, it's more of a challenge problem where the kids have to come up with the steps themselves. But the majority of the homework is exactly the same.